Vinyl is back, and it's here to stay. Whether you're a nostalgic collector or someone just starting to explore the warm sound of records, the right player makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best vinyl record players you can get right now. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Seasonlife R608 vinyl record player. The Seasonlife R608 vinyl record player brings together classic aesthetics with contemporary functionality, making it an ideal gift for music lovers of all ages. With its vintage-inspired design, this turntable not only adds a touch of retro style to any room, but also offers a thoughtful way to revisit cherished memories or introduce someone to the world of vinyl. Equipped with a balanced tone arm and lifting arm control, the R608 supports 3 listening speeds and accommodates 3 sizes of records, allowing users to enjoy their entire vinyl collection with ease. Beyond vinyl, its wireless input pairing enables streaming from smartphones or other devices, delivering flexibility in how music is played. The turntable's belt-driven, anti-vibration system, and spring-equipped bass enhance sound quality by minimizing interference. A removable dust cover ensures records stay clean and protected, preserving them for years to come. Built-in full-range stereo speakers offer convenient daily listening without the need for extra equipment. However, for those seeking a richer sound, RCA output allows connection to external powered speakers. The R608 also supports aux and Bluetooth playback, making it a truly versatile, all-in-one audio system that is easy to set up and beginner-friendly. Combining nostalgic appeal with modern audio technology, the Seasonlife R608 is more than a record player. It's a meaningful way to enjoy music in any form. Coming in at number 4, the Udreamer UD001 vinyl record player. The Udreamer UD001 vinyl record player blends retro charm with modern technology, creating a versatile and convenient music experience. Built-in stereo speakers provide a nostalgic sound right out of the box, while RCA outputs allow for connection to external speakers to enhance audio quality and volume. Offering flexibility in music sources, the UD001 features 3 input options: Bluetooth, USB, and aux. Users can stream music wirelessly from smartphones via Bluetooth, play digital tracks directly using a USB drive, or connect devices like iPads or CD players through the 3.5mm aux input. Designed to accommodate a variety of vinyl records, the turntable supports 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, and plays 7, 10, and 12 record sizes. A built-in headphone jack offers a private listening option. The auto stop switch provides control over the spinning of the turntable once music ends. Thoughtful craftsmanship enhances the user experience with a belt-driven system that reduces vibration and a tone arm lifter to protect vinyl surfaces. The detachable dust cover helps maintain cleanliness, while the 45 RPM adapter ensures compatibility with more records. The wide-range 100V to 240V power cord supports regional use globally, adding to its convenience. The Udreamer UD001 is a compact and stylish option for vinyl enthusiasts looking for a blend of tradition and technology in one accessible package. At number 3, we have the Retrolife R609 vinyl record player. The Retrolife R609 vinyl record player blends timeless charm with today's audio technology, offering a portable and stylish way to enjoy your favorite music. Wrapped in black classic PU leather with retro bronze metal accents, this suitcase-style player is designed for music lovers who appreciate both vintage aesthetics and modern convenience. Its sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, letting you take your music wherever you go. With 4 connection options, the R609 provides flexibility in how you listen. Stream music wirelessly through the built-in Bluetooth speakers, or connect external speakers via the RCA output for enhanced sound. Aux-in lets you plug in non-Bluetooth devices like MP3 players, and a headphone jack offers a personal listening experience whenever you want it. This turntable supports 3 playing speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and can accommodate 7, 10, and 12 records, ensuring compatibility with your entire vinyl collection. The belt-driven mechanism, combined with an anti-resonance design, works to deliver smooth rotation and improved sound clarity. Easy to set up and operate, the R609 is perfect for beginners and seasoned vinyl collectors alike. Its compact size and powerful sound make it a versatile addition to any room, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or office. The Retrolife R609 invites you to enjoy the warm, nostalgic sound of vinyl while embracing the ease of modern audio features. Next up at number 2 is the Crosley CR8005F vinyl record player. The Crosley CR8005F vinyl record player brings together vintage charm and modern technology in a compact, stylish package. Designed for vinyl lovers and music enthusiasts alike, this turntable offers a versatile listening experience with its 3-speed belt drive system. Whether you're spinning 33 1/3, 45, or 78 RPM records, the included 45 adapter and adjustable pitch control ensures smooth, customized playback. The cueing lever adds precision, letting you lower the needle with care for optimal performance. Bluetooth connectivity enhances its versatility, allowing you to wirelessly stream your favorite albums to external speakers or enjoy music directly from the record player's built-in stereo speakers. These upgraded, full-range speakers are designed to reduce vibration and interference, delivering a cleaner, more immersive sound. With multiple connection options, including RCA outputs, a headphone jack, and an aux input, this turntable easily integrates into any audio setup. Whether you're enjoying music privately or sharing it through a stereo system, the Crosley CR8005 adapts to your needs. Housed in a portable suitcase-style design with a convenient carry handle, the player is perfect for those who want to take their music wherever they go. Its look is inspired by over a century of Crosley innovation, blending a retro aesthetic with today's audio features. Proudly designed in the USA, Crosley products come with local customer support, making the CR8005R a reliable and stylish choice for music lovers seeking the perfect mix of nostalgia and modern functionality. Finally, at number 1, we have the Victrola VTA-74 vinyl record player. The Victrola VTA-74, also known as the Eastwood 2 record player, is a premium dual hybrid turntable that offers an impressive combination of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Inspired by the legacy of its original design, the Eastwood 2 introduces a sleek new interface while retaining the timeless appeal that vinyl lovers appreciate. Equipped with custom-tuned built-in speakers, the VTA-74 delivers rich, detailed sound quality that brings out the best in every record, whether you're spinning vintage favorites or the latest releases. There's no need for an external stereo system or additional equipment, making setup quick and effortless. This makes it a convenient option for both newcomers to vinyl and seasoned collectors. Designed with a 3-speed belt-driven mechanism, the turntable supports 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM records, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vinyl collections. The Audio-Technica A3600LA cartridge enhances the listening experience by providing crisp, clean audio with reduced distortion and minimal vibration. One of its standout features is Vinyl Stream technology, which allows users to stream vinyl playback wirelessly to any Bluetooth speaker. This adds a new level of flexibility and modern convenience to an already versatile system, offering a dynamic and immersive listening experience in any room. Combining retro style with modern function, the Victrola VTA-74 is a thoughtfully designed vinyl player built for audio enthusiasts who value both sound quality and simplicity.